You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 100. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 999 times 999 equals 998001. 2 times 999 equals 1998. 1998 times 989 equals 1976022. 989 times 989 equals 978121. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 998,001 minus 1976022 equals negative 978,021. Negative 978021 plus 978121 equals 100. And so the final result is 100.